Hi traders, I'm Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading, and today we're going to be talking about planning and preparing for your trading week. George Allen said it best. He said, winning is the science of being prepared. And I'm going to go over a mnemonic today that I think will really help you knuckle down and keep things really simple, but keep you at your best for trading your A game. You can't control what the outcome of the trades are going to be and what the market's going to do, but you can certainly control your trading process. And I think this mnemonic that we're going to use today is going to be fantastic. I'm down here at the park. I just got done a workout, blew off some steam. I took the dogs out. I have my headphones on. I just listened to a fantastic podcast from probably one of the world's best traders. And I just picked up some great gold nuggets and I wanted to share them with you. But the mnemonic that we're going to go over today is called PREP, P-R-E-P. And the P is for planning and preparing, and that's reviewing and going over all of your big picture trading scenarios in terms of your trading system. So for me, for end-of-day trading, every morning, if you've already listened to my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders, you know that one of the things that I do every night and every morning is I review screenshots of my best trade setups. I have a monthly sort of end-of-month system that's on the daily charts, and I use a Monday to Friday rotation where I look for high probability setups each week. And I review those screenshots for those setups, and I go through and review my trading plan. So that goes through my money management, my methodology, and my mindset in terms of managing those trades. The second part of that component, the R component, is rehearsal and reading. And that's where we go back, we review exactly what we're doing, we rehearse that mentally in our mind and on the charts. We go through the different scenarios, which brings us to the E, which is eventualities. And what we want to do with the E is we want to prepare ourselves for all case scenarios. So if I take a trade, or if my trade setup shows up, I get a signal, I take my trade, but bang, we get 3 or 4 different types of scenarios that happen. How are we going to manage those different scenarios? Do we have a stop in place? Have we managed our risk? Are we going to add an additional position in if it takes off in our favor and moves a certain level of distance, or our scenario? So these are all the different things with the E where you want to prepare yourself for all eventualities. What if there's a gap? What if the power goes out? Do you have an extra phone? Do you have access to calling your broker? Do you have backup power? Do you have any other access to the data feed if you're trading intraday? Again, all these scenarios matter, especially if you're going to treat this as a business. Now you might say, well, I'm only trading at a small amount, it's not that big of a deal. But here's the thing, are you preparing for the big picture when you are trading a larger account size? You need to start and manage that the same week in and week out, because when the account grows, it won't be anything different. It'll just be your same process methodically being executed. And that brings us to the final P in the PREP, and that's positive state. So you want to put yourself in a positive state when you sit down at the computer. If you've just had a fight with your spouse, or you've had a bad day at work, or you've had some other personal strife come into your life and you're allowing that to affect your mindset, you don't want to get onto the screen and start revenge trading or irrationally or impulsively taking positions in the market out of frustration or anger. So that P is about positive state. What have you been doing well this week? What things have you executed properly? What's been going well in your life? And again, that comes back to your 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. If you haven't got this, go get my free audio download, listen to those steps, apply them to your own high performance daily routine. It's all about putting you in state, putting you at the best peak performance mentally, physically, and hopefully practically with your trading system. Apply it to yourself, model that around what you want to be doing, but build a foundation that you can constantly improve with and focus on progress. So again, that's P, planning and preparing. R, reading and rehearsal. E, preparing for all eventualities. And P, positive state. Some people have emailed me and said, you know, you seem like you're pretty extreme. Does all that matter? And I'm going to say this, the market could care less how hard I work, how mentally prepared I am, how great my trading system is, how great my money management is. The market doesn't care about any of that. But I know that I'm not going to leave any stone unturned in terms of ensuring that the odds over the long term are weighted in my favor. I am going to win at this game. I'm not going away, and I'm going to focus on constantly improving 1% every single day or every single week, and exponentially that's going to keep building in my favor. I'm going to make this work, and I'm going to keep growing my account. And that's the attitude that you have to take. It's fine if you want to have this as a hobby, but for the people who are out there who are serious about being high performance traders and creating a life for themselves and for the people around them, these are the steps that are going to help you do that. So hopefully you got a value out of today's video, traders. I really appreciate the feedback. I've had an overwhelming amount of positive response. I've had zero negativity, and I'm really grateful for that. So if you like this, please share it on Facebook. Keep sending your questions. I'm going to keep trying to answer them and provide great content for you guys. Thanks, traders. Have a great day. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.